And in the latest, we're learning that the MCD swung into action after the civic apathy incident has come to light and has killed 3 UPSC aspirants. Delhi Mayor Shailya Oberoi has called for an emergency meeting. The meeting has been called at 3 p.m. at the MCD Civic Centre. The MCD Commissioner, Chief Executive Officer, Jal Board, Principal Secretary of PWD will all be in attendance. Let me go across to Akash joining us with more details. You know, here we do see the mayor now holding some important meetings, key meetings. In fact, we did hear from her yesterday as well through a statement wherein she had instructed officials to take action against all of those coaching institutes in the area, you know, that have been functioning illegally. But the opposition has come out to say it's too little, too late. Tell us a little bit about what we can expect post 3 p.m. Akash.
Right. So, Christine, first of all, it's an emergency meeting that has been called in by Shailya Oberoi, who is the mayor of Delhi Municipal Corporation. Other than this meeting, we have, Municipal Corporation House at 2 p.m. as well. And in that particular house, we are expecting some sort of report by the commissioner as to, when was the last inspection of the building was carried out. Further, what was the kind of note that was prepared by the particular officer of the zone about the particular building. Also, as far as this particular meeting is concerned, so we are expecting some sort of action plan against the kind of violations that we have seen in this particular case. Also, it is important to note, Christine, that we are in fact seeing a lot of politics over this issue because both Aam Aadmi Party and BJP leaders are blaming each other. But the fact is that in this particular case, the violations, in fact, the prima facie, the violations and the negligence that is coming to fore is about the desilting that is under Delhi government for the nalas that are of more than 60 feet and below 60 feet, we have the responsibility of MCD. Further, as far as building bylaws are concerned, so again, MCD is the responsible agencies while DDA prepares the building bylaws. MCD is the agency that somewhere execute the orders or, follow the instructions in the bylaws. Further, we have Delhi Fire Services that gives the certifications. So Delhi Fire Services comes under Delhi government once again. So it is Delhi government and MCD primarily, but yes, detailed investigation will lead us as to what actually went wrong in this particular case. Further, as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, so we have seen that they are also protesting because they are saying that as far as LG is concerned, so he is there available in every next case. But when it is about, instructions to the officers related to the kind of negligence or the violation that is seen in this particular case, so he is seen nowhere, and that's the reason why, we have seen the kind of protest that was carried out and in fact is being carried out by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and the Karyakartas outside LG House. But yes, importantly, this meeting is very important. Before that, we have MCD House at 2 p.m. And in that particular house, we are expecting that commissioner will, lay down a detailed report of this particular building. This comes under Karol Bagh zone of the MCD, and the particular DC of the MCD zone will be very much available in this particular house. All the councillors of the Delhi will be available in this particular house. And after this house, we have this emergency meeting that has been called in by Mayor Shailya Oberoi.
Okay. Many thanks for that, Akash. You rightly pointed it out. There are lapses that have taken place at several levels, and that's why we see representatives of, the MCD, the Jal Board, the PWD, all who are going to be in attendance as far as that 3 p.m. meeting is concerned. I want to take in a word from Anshul as well. Anshul, take us through the latest as far as investigations go. We've been speaking of the several lapses and several lapses that have highlighted the manner in which there has been a huge negligence on part of each and every department. Their responsibilities remained unfulfilled, and that's claimed 3 innocent lives today. What's going on at your end?
Well, definitely there is a lot of people who are responsible for this entire mishandling of the situation that has happened, starting from the manner in which these coaching centers were allowed to run the library to the manner in which the drains were actually choke blocked. Now over here at Ground Zero, I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here, there is a small altercation that has broken out as students from political parties such as the ABVP and from the JNU have come up over here to come in and join into the protest, but the students are very, very adamant that they will not allow any political party to enter their movement and take over their movement, and that is the reason why this entire sort of a scuffle has broken out between these students. And so yes, I'll just try and speak to a few of our students and try to get in. Please, आप खुद ही बताइए क्या डिमांड्स है आपकी और
जो स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ्स गई है उनके फैमिलीज के लिए इमीडिएट कंपेंसेशन होना चाहिए राउज आईएएस की तरफ से ऑन अ मॉरल ग्राउंड्स, और ड्रेनेज सिस्टम और वायरिंग का यहाँ पे जो ओवरऑलिंग का प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व होनी चाहिए जितनी जल्दी हो सके, ताकि आगे जाके ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना उठे। और जो हमारी यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स का एग्रेशन है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर चीज़ में मिसमैनेजमेंट है, वेदर इट इज़ द बेसमेंट लाइब्रेरीज, वेदर इट इज़ द कोचिंग सेंटर्स। बेसमेंट लाइब्रेरी पहले क्लोज करा दी गई थी, अभी वापस वो चालू कर दी, बीच में आग लगने के भी इंस्टेंसेस हुए हैं, शॉक लग जाते हैं। अभी स्टूडेंट की एक पटेल नगर या वहीं पे डेथ हुई है शॉक लगने से। तो ये मिसमैनेजमेंट की वजह से जो वायरिंग की है, जो फ्लड जब पानी जम जाता है, तब जब वो
आपसे कोई मिलने आया है अभी?
Voices, there are protests, counter protests being staged across the national